Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you, Ben?
I'm doing great. It's always nice to sit down, talk with you, and help our listeners practice English.
Yes, and hello to our listeners. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Absolutely. So, Emma, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is online shopping.
Oh, that's a good one. Many people shop online these days.
Yes, and it's a great topic for practicing English because we can learn many useful words and phrases. First, let's start with greetings and some small talk. Ben, do you like shopping online?
Yes, I do. I think shopping online is easy and convenient. Convenient means it saves time and is not difficult.
Good word. Convenient. Listeners, repeat after us. Convenient.
Convenient.
Great job, everyone. And why do you like online shopping, Ben?
I like online shopping because I can find many choices, I can compare prices, and I don't need to leave my house.
Yes, that's true. I also like online shopping, but sometimes I still go to the store.
Why do you go to the store?
Because I like to see the product in real life. Sometimes pictures online look different from the real thing.
That's true. Sometimes what you get is not what you expect.
Let's talk about some useful vocabulary for online shopping. Listeners, repeat with us.
Okay, first word, cart.
A cart is like a shopping basket online. You put things you want to buy in your cart.
Next word, checkout.
Checkout is the final step when you pay for your things.
Another important word, delivery.
Delivery means sending the item to your home.
Great, so let's practice. Emma, can you give me a sentence with cart?
Sure. I put 3 books in my cart.
Perfect. I'll try one with checkout. I went to checkout and paid with my credit card.
Nice. And one more with delivery.
The delivery will arrive in 2 days.
Excellent. Now let's pretend we are shopping online together.
Sounds fun. Okay, Emma, what do you want to buy today?
I want to buy some shoes.
Okay, first you search for shoes online.
Yes. I type in the search bar, comfortable shoes.
Good. You find many options. Which ones do you like?
I like these red sneakers. They look nice.
Great. Let's put them in the cart.
Okay, now I go to checkout.
At checkout, I can see the price. How much are the shoes?
They are $40.
That's not too bad. Do you want to buy them?
Yes, I will pay with my card.
Done. Now we wait for delivery.
See, listeners? That's how online shopping works. Ben, do you ever return things when you shop online?
Yes, sometimes. Return means to send the item back because you don't like it or it doesn't fit.
Oh, yes. One time I bought a jacket online, but it was too big. I had to return it.
Yes, that happens. Always check the size carefully.
That's a good tip. Another tip, read reviews.
Reviews are comments from other people who bought the item.
Exactly. If many reviews are good, maybe the product is good.
If many reviews are bad, maybe you should not buy it.
Now let's teach some useful phrases for online shopping.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat with us.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
When will it arrive?
When will it arrive?
Great job, everyone. These are phrases you can use when shopping online or even in real stores.
Emma, do you think online shopping is better than shopping in the store?
It depends. For me, online shopping is good for simple things like books or clothes. But for important things like a computer, I want to see it in the store first.
I agree. Sometimes in the store you can ask questions to the staff.
Yes, staff means the workers in the shop.
Exactly. And sometimes in a store you can try something before you buy it, like shoes or clothes.
Yes, that's important. Let's practice a little role play with our listeners. Ben, you be the shop assistant and I will be the customer.
Okay, let's try.
Excuse me? How much are these shoes?
They are $40.
Can I return them if they don't fit?
Yes, you can return them within 30 days.
Thank you. And when will they arrive?
They will arrive in 3 days.
Perfect. I will buy them.
Great choice.
See, listeners? That's a simple conversation you can practice. Ben, this has been a very fun episode. We talked about online shopping, new vocabulary, and useful phrases.
Yes, and we hope you enjoyed practicing English with us today. Before we go, don't forget, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, that way you can join us again and keep learning English.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye.